In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Discord cache. If Discord feels sluggish, images aren't loading properly, or you just want to free up a bit of space, clearing the cache is a quick, safe fix. The cache is a collection of temporary files that help apps like Discord load faster, but sometimes those files get outdated or corrupted. Removing them won't delete your messages, servers, or account data. It simply forces Discord to rebuild fresh temporary files the next time it runs. Start on your Windows PC. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run window. You'll see a small box appear, usually at the bottom left of your screen. In that box, type %, appdata exactly like this, %appdata%. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This command opens the roaming folder inside your AppData directory, which is where many apps, including Discord, store their working files. A File Explorer window will open. In this window, look for the folder named Discord. The list is typically in alphabetical order, so scroll until you find it. When you see the Discord folder, double-click it to open. Inside the Discord folder, you'll see several subfolders. Find the one labeled Cache. This is where Discord stores its temporary files. Go ahead and open the cache folder. You'll see a list of files that might look random. That's normal. These are safe to remove. Select the files inside this cache folder and delete them. You can press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Delete, or you can right-click and choose Delete. This usually moves the files to your recycle bin, so if you change your mind, you can restore them. If Windows says a file is in use and won't delete, it's fine to skip that one and continue with the rest. Once those files are deleted, you're done. That's all it takes to clear Discord's cache on your PC. The next time you open Discord, it may take a moment longer to load certain images or data the first time, and then it will feel normal again, often with small issues resolved. Clearing the cache won't affect your servers, chats, or settings, and it's a handy step whenever Discord starts acting a little off. Thanks for following along. If this helped, consider keeping this simple process in mind anytime you want to tidy up Discord's temporary files and keep things running smoothly.